Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we uncover the origins of matcha, the health benefits it offers, and the secrets to making a perfectly balanced frappe. Many cafes finish the drink with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of extra matcha powder, or even a drizzle of flavored syrup, white chocolate for sweetness, caramel for depth, or yuzu for a citrusy lift. Some even layer the drink, with matcha at the bottom and a lighter milk foam on top, creating a visual gradient that's as photogenic as it is tasty. The taste of a matcha frappe is a journey in itself. It starts with a gentle bitterness, the earthy green tea flavor that matcha lovers cherish. Then comes the creaminess of milk, which softens the edges and adds warmth to the flavor profile. Sweetness joins in, brightening the overall taste and making it approachable even for those new to matcha. The chill of the drink enhances every note, making each sip crisp and invigorating. But beyond flavor, there's a feeling that matcha gives, a unique kind of energy. Matcha contains caffeine, but thanks to L-theanine, it delivers this energy in a calm, steady way. Instead of the quick spike and crash often felt with coffee, matcha offers a balanced focus, alertness without restlessness, clarity without anxiety. It's the perfect drink for those who want both stimulation and serenity. Matcha also carries health benefits. It's loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help fight free radicals and support overall wellness. It contains vitamins A, C, E, K, and B complex, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. While a frappe may not be a health drink in the strictest sense, especially with added sugar and cream, it still retains many of these natural benefits, making it a treat that's a little kinder to the body than many alternatives. There's also the aesthetic appeal. The vivid green of matcha is unlike any other drink color. It pops against glass, contrasts beautifully with white cream toppings, and carries an almost jewel-like vibrancy. This makes the matcha frappe a favorite for food photography, often shared across social media feeds as both a drink and a visual experience. And then there's the versatility. A matcha frappe can be customized endlessly. Some people blend it with vanilla ice cream for an ultra-rich dessert. Others add flavors like mint, lavender, or roasted black sesame for depth. In some cafes, you'll find matcha frappes topped with chewy tapioca pearls or sweet red bean paste, drawing influence from Japanese and Taiwanese desserts. And for coffee lovers, there's the dirty matcha, a matcha frappe with a shot of espresso, bringing together the boldness of coffee and the serenity of tea in one cup. Every sip of a matcha frappe is a meeting point between old and new, tradition and innovation, east and west. It carries the wisdom of centuries-old tea cultivation and the creativity of modern cafe culture. It's a drink that invites you to slow down and savor, even in the busiest of days. So, the next time you hold that cup, cool to the touch, droplets of condensation running down the sides, a green so vivid it almost glows, take a moment. Breathe in its grassy sweetness. Feel the ice-cold weight in your hand. And as the flavors unfold, the earthiness of tea, the creaminess of milk, the brightness of sugar, remember that you're tasting more than a drink. You're tasting history, craftsmanship, and a little bit of magic, all blended into one refreshing moment. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.